All right, Divine Collective. So I keep picking up on someone drinking here, overindulging. Drinking is of significance in this reading, okay? Let's see what Spirit is trying to tell us. Divine intervention, a calling, an invitation, not just physical but spiritual. Everything begins to shift. You're being asked to step forward into your next phase, Divine Collective. There's a wish granted here, okay? A lot of you are being given a wish, and it will be granted, Divine Collective. The intimidation tactics don't work on you. I'm getting military links and mob ties in this reading. A car chase, Divine Collective. I'm getting a car chase, a psychotic disorder, some type of mental illness or mental disorder. Drinking, overindulgence. The Lovers. This could be an ex of yours, Divine Collective, that is drinking a lot, overindulging, because you've detached. This is someone that has some type of mental disorder, illness, mob ties. They also tried to intimidate you here. It did not work, Divine Collective. I'm getting divine intervention in this timeline. Yeah, confirmation. This is someone's children's father, an ex, a father figure. They want you to shut up, Divine Collective. I heard the Lovers. So this is someone that you were in a relationship with at one point. This is a secret enemy. Some Spirit is saying that secret enemies you will overcome. So this ex of yours that you were in a relationship with, this is a secret enemy of yours. Spirit says unusual challenges in your life, Divine Collective, will prepare you for higher positions. Okay? You may be coming to the realization that someone in your life, it's like you're realizing that everything about this person was a lie or fake, or there was no real love there, Divine Collective. You're realizing that someone that you were giving to, you were being genuine with, you're realizing that you are dealing with an emotional manipulator who thrives on guilt, fear, and obligation. Yeah, whoever this ex, Divine Collective, heavy. This is a father figure, heavy in the energy, okay? Is strategizing on how to get you to open up. Because they're unhappy in their current relationship, Divine Collective. Make that make sense. Because they're unhappy in their current relationship. They want to mess with you. They want to mess with your new beginnings. Okay? Spirit says they may not know what to say. Someone here may not know what to say. But this is who you are. It's hard for this person to believe that you are who you are, Divine Collective. I feel like you're very guarded. As you can tell in my overall energy, Divine Collective, someone here is very guarded because I'm over here feeling like, are you serious right now? You threw me in the garbage and now you want to come back and take me out? I mean, who throws their garbage away and goes back and gets it back out the garbage? They threw you away and now they want to go back out there and get you? You're long gone. Make that make sense, right? Spirit says, calm down, okay? This person is becoming more grounded, Divine Collective. Don't come for me. I'm only the messenger. I know a lot of you are like, I don't care. They can be grounded over there with themselves. If you're you've been following me and my content, that means that you resonate with a lot of the things that I say, Divine Collective, and possibly a lot of the ways that I feel. And in my experiences and situations, often when Spirit's like, here they come, Dottie, here they come, right around, here they come. The karmics, they're coming back around. I'm just like, no. You know what? I'm sending you love and light. I'm holding you a place of love and light, but you can stay over there. Okay. This person is becoming more grounded. I will tell you that, okay? There's a lot of trauma, abuse that I'm picking up on in this person's energy, and no, that does not have nothing to do with you. Their childhood has nothing to do with you. Absolutely. You are not obligated to stick around people, stay around people because of the trauma that they've experienced, the abuse that they experience. It is no obligation of yours to stick around and be the punching bag for these type of energies that refuse to heal, go within. So instead of healing, they take all of what they're feeling and they hurt everyone around them, okay? And you possibly being the punching bag, right? In a lot of these situations, I'm speaking to the punching bag, right? You are not obligated to do that, Divine Collective, at all, okay? Someone here tried to demonize you, Spirit says. This heartache will turn out to be a blessing in disguise. Yeah, I feel like this isn't going to feel too good. You're going to have to sit with yourself and do some healing here. Grounding, Divine Collective, because a lot of you are accepting no closure in a situation, or you're accepting that this is who this person has always been. Okay, it's just that you're someone who sees the best in everyone. Okay, so you've seen the very best in this person. You've seen their potential. That's what I'm trying to say. You're someone who sees others' potential. before anything else. And it's like you've seen so much potential in this person. They, you know, just so much greatness, Divine Collective. However, that was all an illusion. And I think a lot of you are coming to that realization, and it's hurting, right? It's something that you're going to have to heal. It's something that you're going to have to get the lesson out of and continue moving forward, Divine Collective. Make sure that you're not getting stuck in those feelings, that you're not wondering, what if this and why this, and don't do that. Just trust. Trust in God. Trust that God has your back and that you are exactly where you need to be on your journey, okay? I'm getting copycat and plagiarism in this reading. Someone did not protect you. They possibly assisted someone in stealing from you or copying you, Divine Collective. They didn't protect you, Spirit says, okay? I'm picking up on Egyptian roots, okay? You are flourishing and growing here. Spirit is confirming how much you've grown. Someone is really trying to come up with a plan here to come towards you, 8:16 on the clock. They can't come up with anything, Divine Collective, because you're so guarded, but not in the way where you're paranoid or there's no anxiety in the energy. It's just like you're not allowing anyone in. You're busy doing your own thing, all right? You're cool. That's really what it is. I don't know if you guys see the orbs, but there's a lot of orbs by me right now. I heard birds of a feather flock together, okay? It's okay to treat yourself in this season. Spirit is exposing someone for trying to frame you for crimes that they committed. Someone here tried to frame you, incriminate you. The trial. This is the trial. 9:03 on the clock. Once again, I put it back, confirming this is a father figure. Someone's children's father. They want you to shut up. This is someone who possibly has some type of STD now from all the sex magic that they were doing, Divine Collective, and they want you to shut up. I keep hearing they want you to shut up. They want you to shut up. This person has been casted out. You also have a family member here who tried to destiny swap with you. They could have been working together as well, Divine Collective. They've all been casted out here. 9:39 on the clock, trying to induce paranoia. That's why Spirit wanted me to reiterate that this isn't about anxiety, paranoia, or anything like that. I feel like a lot of you are in hermit because that's where you've been guided to go. Okay? A separation.